In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance a photo's quality in Midjourney. Well, I'm kind of not actually, because in Midjourney you can't do that. But I'm going to give you an amazing AI solution for that. So, come to Google and go to upscale.media. Now this tool is very, very useful. So, let's say we want to upscale this. Now this is already very, very good quality, but just for the purpose of it, I'm going to show you how. So you want to upload it to here and wait for it to process. Now, once it's processed, you're going to have a few different options. You can change the amount it upscales. You can do 1x, 2x, 4x. This is going to double or quadruple the amount of pixels in it. This is having an error, but we'll look at this one. Now, something else you can do is enhance quality. And enhanced quality removes artifacts, balances sharpness and softness, and preserves the natural aspect of it. You can turn this on and off, just test with it. The best thing about this software is that it is completely free and easy to use. So yeah, I'd really recommend trying that. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.